And we are back. Oh, another conversation, I think. Nope, never mind. Now the question is, Frost Walrus, the snow base, or this guy? I have no clue who he is. It's the marine base. One of the bases. Which one? I don't know. Well, it just doesn't matter doing. Let's just do Frost Walrus. I can't pronounce today. Oh, crap. He protects a secret weapon which lies inside the snow base. He's too big. He actually blocks the message. I'm having regrets about choosing him already. I'm just gonna assume Mammoth Dragoon's gonna be his weakness. Why? Because I'm silly. Is that Blizzard Buffalo? The music's pretty cool though. Well, so far at least. What the? Oi! Oh, you can double jump with it technically. Wait, what? Hold on, let me get used to this weapon. Oh, okay. Ow! Oh, it's a one-up! Ow, and I just ran into him like a moron. What is with all these? I mean, technically, I'm not filling up anything. I'm not filling up anything. I'm jumping blindly into spikes. Oi! Right, ice. Is it frozen? Oi! Oi! Skiing enemies. Oi! Breaking ice. Oi! More breaking ice. God damn, I'm dead. I can't even tell who that frozen one is. Whatever. Oi! Okay, this time just don't... don't even focus on the enemies, just slide, slide. Oh, right. Oi! God damn it. I have no clue what I just picked up. I think it was something useful though. Maybe not. Okay. Oh, nah, cool. Oi! Okay, where do I go from here? Oh! There's more to the stage. Okay. Moving platforms. Oi! Oi! Okay, that was too close. So he can't seem to wall jump with him though. Let's jump here. Okay, balls are ready. Is that Chill Penguin? That's awesome. Ah, oh, crap, mini boss. I hate mini bosses. Let me try. Okay, hold on. Let me try this Mammoth Dragoon's weapon. Ow! I'm hitting with the Buster. Hitting with the Buster. Why? Okay, sort of seems to be his weakness. Oh, yeah, that's his weakness. Okay, good, cool. Oi! armadillo. Just a lot cheaper. God damn. Just one more hit. Okay. It's not that hard. Just gotta be creative with your weapons. I'm too used to just running with the buster only. But I'm actually playing to beat the game, not just for fun. So I actually have to use the other weapons. Oi! And I gotta stop doing stupid things like that. Oi! And that. Ow! God damn it. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna turn to the armadillo. There we go. See ya, chill penguin. And the music changes. Okay. Oh, they're mitts. Are they Reuploads too? Or are they part of the Reuploads? Yeah, I don't see the frozen ones. Ow. More than no health. Oh, they're so cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot them. Hold on. What are those things do? Oh, they're like fire bombs. Huh. I don't like it when the screen has to. You can only show the screen when you go to the bottom. Because I think there's a death bit. Okay, not that good. Oh crap. Nope, not gonna waste my. Oi! Okay, shouldn't be wasting my energy on that. Ooh, what's that? I have no clue. I picked up something else. I have no clue what it does. Come on, you little nuts. Oi! Oh, great! It's like that little weather bot in Freeze Man stage. Ow! Except the only changes when you don't shoot it. As far as I know. Yeah, there we go. Wow. Crap. At least the Mets are frozen, but they have spikes on their heads now. Which is kind of funny, but annoying. Well, help for me. God damn it. Stupid dragon thing. I don't think it did anything. Okay, Frost Walrus. I just hope this doesn't run out of time. Oh. Damn, he's big. He doesn't look like a walrus at all.